Alex Carrick, chief economist of CanaData, praised the Canadian government for tackling the regulatory approvals process in the federal budget.
But what I like about the federal budget the most is its recognition of how the country is changing and its adoption of the philosophy that it's Western Canada and parts of the East where we're going to be extracting raw materials and selling them to the emerging nations and our other export partners like the United States. And as part of that, there's going to be a reduction in the regulatory approvals process to 48 months, and only one level of government, either the feds or the provinces, is going to conduct the environmental review. Very, very positive, and this is really what we need to take care of our future longer term.